To enable Gemini on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to open our settings. Then look for the Google services, select all services and scroll down. Now go for Search Assistant and Voice. We can select Gemini, then open it with let's say Google. And there's introduction along with the setup, but I'm gonna skip it. You can click on each of those to learn more. I just want to show you how to enable or disable it. So more, use Gemini. So now it should be set as our default assistant, but we can confirm it by going for Digital Assistant from Google. And here is Gemini. Make sure it's activated and it should be on. You can call it out just like a Google Assistant by saying "Hey Google" when it's activated, or clicking on the home button or the power button if you also have that activated.